So welcome everyone, happy days are here again. We got ourselves an unboxing and a rapid review here for the Oclean travel case for the Oclean X and X Pro toothbrushes. I think the idea of a rapid review is clear enough. It's why a shorter review for a change, because my reviews are normally quite long and in-depth, but really how much detail can you go in for a travel case? For those of you that have seen my previous reviews, you know I bought myself an Oclean Pro X toothbrush and I've been using it daily, and I must say I'm still equally as impressed with the cleaning of it. You know, my teeth still feel superb, but the errors and the problems still exist in terms of recognising if you've been brushing everywhere and all that sort of thing. The funny thing is the handle is 100% correct, you know, all the data and stuff on there is perfect, but the app just doesn't seem to sync correctly, and therefore there's information lost in that. But anyway, I'm impressed with the toothbrush, but one of the things it was missing was a travel case. It'll come as no surprise if you've seen my other reviews. The first thing I did is I went on Amazon and I typed in a case, and lo and behold it did sell one, and it's an official case indeed. Apparently it comes in 3 colours, grey, pink and yellow. Let's hope this one's grey, the one I ordered, but you just never know. You just never know. Now, the delivery time was absolutely quoted to be absolutely outrageous. It was well over a month because of course it's coming from abroad. However, it massively came early. It was only 9 days. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. There's not too much other information about the case, you know, there's no USB charging port or any of that stuff. You just put the toothbrush in, protect it, stops it getting all messed up in your luggage. So I think that's enough talking. Let's take a look at the box. One of the main reasons I actually wanted to do an unboxing review is because I thought the box looked absolutely superb. Colours look real nice, it's a nice case, it's looking real slick. Again, you know, it's in line with the Apple sort of feel. Not like the toothbrush heads, they were cheap tut. The actual product, the toothbrush itself was high quality box, and this is also a high quality box as well. Taking a look at the front, we've got what hopefully the case looks like. Nothing on the bottom, a little barcode made in China from Amazon. Nothing on the end other than the Oclean logo, nice, and an Oclean logo on the other end. And then we've got some information on the back. Hopefully you can read Chinese, otherwise the information's down in the bottom. I always think it's really interesting they put the address of where it's being manufactured on there. I mean, I don't know what that's for, other than trying to hunt them down if it's rubbish, but nonetheless they do it. So that's the box itself. Let's get in and have a look. Boom, cheeky cut, the cellophane's gone now, so we can actually have a look in the box. Whilst I was unsheathing it, I did notice that down in the bottom, colour white. Didn't really order white, I ordered grey, but I suppose there's some white on it, so, you know, hopefully they're not misleading me here. Let's see if we can get into this without causing too much damage. There we go. I will not be defeated. Ooh, nice. Look at that shine. As you can tell from that unique sound that I made, I am actually really impressed. I expected this to be way worse quality than it actually is. So looking at the box, we've got some things, nothing of any interest in there really. No instructions, thank God. And we've just got ourselves our lovely toothbrush case. Really nice, glossy, white. It's got a matte bottom on there. Hopefully that's to stop it slipping and sliding anywhere. Designed by Oclean, travel toothbrush case. Well, well, well. Very, very interesting. Let's open it up. Oh, it's got a clip on it as well. Nice. Oclean logo there. Space for the toothbrush. I'm actually pretty impressed. I expected it to be way worse quality than this. So I guess the only telltale thing left to do is to check, does the toothbrush actually fit in here? Luckily I'm prepared for the review because I got my toothbrush here, so off comes the head. Let's pop it in. So first things first, it doesn't fit with the cover, this little plastic cover on there. However, would you need it if you're traveling with it? Probably not, because leaving the case. Clips in real good, look at that. It ain't gonna fall out or nothing. Pretty good so far. Finally, surely the handle must fit. Let's fit it in a bit like that. Oh, how clever is that? You see there's a little hole there. That's obviously for the toothbrush head to fit in so it doesn't fall everywhere. Oh, does it? It's a little tight, but no, fits in nicely. Look at that. And look, it ain't gonna fall out. Not gonna fall out at all. Well, I'm actually blown away. I had the lowest of expectations for this, and turns out it's actually pretty good. The final piece of the puzzle, does it actually close? Of course it will. And look at that, it actually closes and it clips shut. I can't believe that. I'm loving the white shine on it. It all fits a treat. I'm actually, you won't believe how I'm actually really amazed I am by that. I had the lowest of low expectations. I thought that would be cheap. But you know what the funny thing is? I think that's a far superior case to the ones you get with the Oral-B. I mean, granted, the Oral-B ones are charge cases, you know, are charge cases as well, so you could plug USB cables in and charge things. But ultimately, do you actually need that? I mean, you charge your toothbrush up before you go, you got plenty of charge because the battery in it is awesome. You don't need anything else. I'm really impressed. So what's my final review of this toothbrush case? It's going to be, it's obvious, it's a 2 thumbs up. I'm well impressed with it. The quality is far superior to what I was expecting to be. The white's really nice. I suppose the only con would be they completely lied about the colour. They said it was going to be grey, although the images in the Amazon listing suggest it was white with grey inside. I wouldn't say it was grey inside, I say it's more white inside. But ultimately, I'm really impressed. $11.99, some people will be like, oh, why should I have to pay for that? I've already paid for the toothbrush. But some people might want the case and some people might not want the case. So, you know, like an Oral-B, they're charging you extra for the case whether you want it or not. So you've got the option at least to buy it separate here. The delivery time, although it looked appalling over a month, it was only like 9 days, which is actually really fantastic in the grand scheme of things. So yeah, really impressed. As always, I'll leave a link to this product in the description below. All my products that I review are always linked in the description, so you can get it for yourself if you can find it. If you liked the review, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the review, I suppose you can give it a thumbs down if you want to be a troll. But if you do, post a comment and explain why. In general, if you've got any comments, please post them below. Any questions, post them. If you've got any recommendations or suggestions or things you'd like me to review, just put them in the comments. I love reading any comments and I always make an effort to reply to them. If you could bash that subscribe button, I mean the absolute world to me. I think I'm on 12 subscribers, which doesn't sound like an awful lot, but you know what? Each and every one of you, all 12 of you, mean the absolute world to me, and I'd shake your hands if you're allowed to shake hands, depending on social distancing and stuff. But I would shake your hand if I saw you in person. So with that in mind, it's the end of the rapid review. I don't know how rapid it is because I've not looked at the timer count, but I'll leave it there. So you know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say look after yourself, take care of the people around you, and most importantly, stay out of trouble.